So imagine I want the emails of these people that I have in this sheet right here. I can just very simply say, okay, this is going to be where I want my emails. Then I'm going to use find email, then A2, B2, and F2. Then there we have the first email. Then I'm going to drag that down all the way to the bottom so that I have emails for all these people. And then what my next step would be, I want to know what the status of those emails is, because I want to make sure that I'm obviously only sending to good emails. So then here I'm going to say validate. Then here we have K2. And then, we do the same thing. We drag it down all the way to the bottom and make sure that we validate all the emails. One thing I'm going to do before that though is I'm going to make sure that we have a filter set up. So I only want to say, okay, if there's an actual email, I want to run that validation process. So now I can do this, and then we have all the emails validated. And then one other thing I want to do, I want to add some personalization. So I'm just going to say, this would be C2. And then we're going to do the same, as in we're going to drag that all the way down. So it's still loading the other one, but that's populating, and we're going to get some personalization there as well. And there we go. So we just found these emails, validated them, added personalization right from Google Sheets in 1 minute 50 seconds, and I probably could have done that a lot faster too.